को देंगे, कितना इस्माइली बोहरास को देंगे, सब हो गया है। काइंडली आप वो जमीन कमेटीज बनाकर दे दीजिए, जिसके साथ वहां पे तदफीन का आगाज हो जाएगा। और कमेटी अगर बनाएंगे तो दैट कमेटी कैन प्रोटेक्ट द लैंड विच हैज बीन अलॉटेड। एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम रिक्वेस्ट, इन लास्ट 10 years more than 400 acres were given for shadi khanas and Muslim graveyards. Please find out how those lands are. I would request my friends from Congress also. I have the copy of the GO. I can just give it to the Honorable Speaker. He can give it to all of you all. Okay, where all the land has been allotted. We can protect that land. We can make some shadi khanas. We can give for the burial. Sir, we have been successful, sir. So while the member of largest minority community in the state have been deprived and disposed of their land holdings through the abolition of Jagir, Zamindar, Inam, Enact an Urban Land Ceiling Act, sir. Sir, I have the list, sir. Sir, I have the list of all the details, sir, of the Waqf land, sir. Sir, Baba Sharafuddin Sahab Pahadi, sir, 2001-31, sir. Shah Raja Hussain Khattali, Rahmatullah alayh, 580 acres. Muslim maternity, Jamaat-e-Islami, 450 acres, sir. Ashur Khan Ali Saad Maheshwaram, 490 acres. Jami Nizamiya Sri Lingampalli, sir, 500 acres. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Manikunda Jagir, 1,900. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Guntapalli village, 1,400 acres, sir. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Raidurg, sir, again 38 acres, sir. Sir, Narsapur Mandal Medak, 100 acres, sir. मेदक का जितना टाउन है वो सारा का सारा इज वक्फ, सर. फुल मेदक टाउन, सर. बट वेयर, सर, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि जो बना हुआ है उसको तोड़ दो. नो सर, एटलीस्ट उनको किराएदार बना दो वक्फ बोर्ड के. मैं यही कह रहा हूं, वक्फ बोर्ड को कुछ पैसा आएगा, लेकिन वो भी नहीं होता. सर, आलूर विलेज, सर, आलूर विलेज, सर, आपको मालूम होगा सर, आलूर विलेज 1200 acres, sir. 1200, sir. Sir, I remember, sir, Rashekar Reddy Sahab had called me and he said, Akbar, let us do something about this Alur, sir. The then minister, Mr. Shabir Ali Sahab, was also there. So we were discussing whether we get we have a university there, or we can have some development work there, sir. What is happening, sir? That 1,200 acres in Alur is also getting encroached, sir. And one fine day we are going to lose that land also, sir. Qutub Shahi Mosque graveyard, sir, situated at this women's college, Narayangoda, sir, 3,735 square yards, sir. Masjid Khushi Jai, Bazarghat, Gun Foundry, Chanchalgoda jail, 30 acres, sir. Jail mein bhi 30 acre hai, sir, hamari. Sir, I am just saying, and the list goes on, sir. The list goes on. So the reason, sir, I am bringing to your kind notice with this is that, sir, my only submission is that, sir, please protect the Waqf land, sir. Sir, we have been successful in demanding a CBCID inquiry against the Waqf grabbers and Waqf encroachers, sir. So the then Chief Minister KCR Saab ordered a CBCID inquiry. Initial inquiry has been done, sir. Through you, I request the government to kindly table the report of the inquiry, sir. और वो औखाफी जायदादों को तबाह बर्बाद करने वाले वो जिम्मेदार, वो लूटने वाले लुटेरों को आप हथकड़ी पहनाइए साहब, जेल में भी जाइए उनको. This is not my land, sir. I am not the owner, sir. The Almighty is the owner, sir. If it is endowment, none is the owner, Bhagwan is the owner of that land. We have to protect, sir. We have to protect it, sir. Sir, also about going further ahead and speaking on Dharani, sir, which has been named as Bhumata, I may recall, sir, in the Congress manifesto, sir, page number 28, it is clearly written, sir. It is clearly written over here. I do not want to read out everything, sir. It is clearly written, sir. Sir, they had promised that Honorable Minister Saab, in his statement, he started that criticizing the BRS government. Sir, आप भी तो वादा कर रहे थे कि आने के 100 दिन में करेंगे. आप भी कर रहे थे, सर. ठीक है, मैं मानता हूं कि असेंबली इलेक्शन के बाद इमीडिएटली पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन आया. कम से कम अब 100 दिन में तो आप धरनी को सही करिए, ये इसको सही करिए। सर क्या है बताइए? सो मेनी पीपल आर लूजिंग द लैंड। सर I'll read it for you. Sir, I'll read it, sir. I'll read it. Page number, sir, I'll read it, sir. Page number 28. Sir, 8. Land administration, sir. Dharani portal will be replaced, everything, transparency, ye, wo sab hai. The last sentence. Land with clear ownership title added under the restricted category. Listen, sir. Now listen. Lands with clear ownership title added under the restricted category will be removed within 100 days of assuming power. Sir, I don't come just like that, sir. I do a research. I know it's your manifesto. 8 महीने बहुत बड़ा टाइम है आपके लिए, कहां से याद रखेंगे? मगर मुझे याद है सर, मुझे याद है, भूल गए आपका ये मैनिफेस्टो. So that is why I say कि please don't interrupt me. Sir, you interrupt and simply, उसके बाद आपको शर्मिंदा होना पड़ता है. सर 100 दिन में करेंगे, आपने वादा किया था. मैं कह रहा हूं कि नहीं हुआ है, आने वाले 100 दिन में कर दो. मगर आप बोल रहे नहीं हम वादा नहीं करे, तो मैं बता रहा हूं वादा है.
మీరు చెప్తోండ్రో షర్మిందా అయ్యేది ఏముంది దీంట్లో? షర్మిందా ఏం లేదు, షర్మిందా ఏం లేదు. మీరు చెప్పారు, డెఫినెట్గా మేము చేయడం కోసం ప్రయత్నం చేస్తుంది తప్ప దీంట్లో మేము షర్మిందా కావాల్సింది ఏం లేదు దీంట్లో. కరెక్ట్, ఎస్ విల్ డూ దట్. అందుకోసం ఏదో పెట్టింది.
सर मैं हरगिज़ और ख़त्ई नहीं चाहूंगा कि मेरे दोस्त शर्मिंदा हो, क्योंकि वो मेरे दोस्त हैं, पुराने दोस्त हैं. मैं शर्मिंदा नहीं कर रहा हूं. अगर आप फख्र करना चाहते हैं 100 दिन में नहीं करे हैं, तो प्लीज टेक प्राइड इन दैट. इट्स नॉट माई प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन टेक एन प्राइड इन दैट, सर. आई डोंट वांट टू रीड इट आउट, सर. Sir, I don't want to read it out. If you want me to read it out, I'll read the entire thing, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, page number 28. Dharani portal will be replaced with more transparent new Bhumata portal and undertake a comprehensive land survey based on which the land ownership rights will be allocated and provided a remedy to all those farmers who suffered due to Dharani portal. Will implement Koneru Ranga Rao Land Committee recommendations. Abhudhar card will be issued to every farmers after survey of each land holding in the state. Establishment of land commission for resolving land ownership issues and ensuring the land ownership rights are ensured to all landowners. Will provide ownership title to 25 lakh acre of land distributed to the poor under the land reforms undertaken by the Congress government. Congress party is committed to achieve conflict-free Telangana with respect to land ownership right by bringing a transparent new online portal in place of Dharani in the next 5 years. Land with clear ownership titles added under the restricted category will be removed within 100 days. I have read, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, a land commission will be established for resolving land ownership issues and ensuring land ownership rights to all landowners. Land with clear ownership, as I said, in 100 days will be cleared. A card will be given. Koneru Ranga Rao Land Committee for 25 acres, sir. Sir, it is true that many farmers have faced issues for updating their land records on Dharani portal online, and they are unable to get assistance on the right to Bandhu and right to Bima. Sir, and I would say out of many reasons which I do not want to go, one of the major reasons for you coming to power and BRS losing the power is Dharani. It is a fact, sir. We have to accept this. Whether my friends from BRS, they also need to accept this. And you also need to accept this. Sir, they lost the elections, you have won the elections. You shouldn't lose the ground by continuing this. It's high time you need to do the necessary correction, sir. People are worried, sir. People want this Dharani to be changed. My only question and submission is change it fast. जो लोगों को नुकसान हो रहा है, सर, जिनको बी में डाल दिए आप, लाकर ये लोग डाले थे, वो आज भी बी में है, परेशान है. Sir, that is why I am saying, sir. Sir, they also face difficulties in selling their agricultural land and obtaining loans from banks, sir. Sir, there are many details, sir. I don't want to, sir. एक और एक दिन आप इसमें रखिए, sir. एक और एक दिन रखिए, sir. I have all the details. कौन कितनी जमीन किसके नाम पे रजिस्टर करा धरनी आने के बाद I'll give that details also, sir. और उस वक्त कई लोग शर्मिंदा हो जाएंगे जो आवाजें कर रहे हैं खामोश बैठे। मैं ऐसी नहीं आता हूं, पूरी तैयारी से आता हूं। Sir, I stand and when I speak, sir, I make sure that I speak the truth. I make sure that I speak on fact and figures, sir. I speak with references, with evidence, sir. I do not just speak like that, sir. आप जरूर, मैं आपसे कहूंगा, सर, आप रखिए, हम सिर्फ इस पे बहस करेंगे वो धरनी आने के बाद कितने लोगों ने बेनामी जमीन को अपने नाम पे कराया, वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। So much of hanky-panky things have happened, sir. Please, sir, through you I would request, sir, do the necessary correction as early as possible, sir. Sir, yes, you're right. Many farmers have also committed suicide because of that. Consequently, the farmers and other landowners filed their grievances with the district collectors and CCLA